Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Python as well as Pycharm IDE on Ubuntu 20.04. So Pycharm is one of the most popular Python IDEs, and if you want to run Python programs, this is the first choice. Now let's first see how to install Python on Ubuntu 20.04. For that, go to terminal, click here. Here type terminal, click on the terminal. Now here, let's write the command sudo apt space install, then space Python, and press enter. Python 3 I should write, press enter. Enter the password for root, press enter again. So it installed the Python version. Now let's install pip. Type sudo apt install python 3 -pip. Now press enter. Do you wish to continue? Only 27 MB? Yes. Press Y and press enter. Now guys, we have installed pip. Now type pip 3 and press enter, and let's see what is visible. If this is visible, that means you have successfully installed. So guys, we saw how we can install Python. Now let's see how we can easily download and install Pycharm and create our first Python project as well. For that, go to the browser. Here type Pycharm. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. So jetbrains.com owns Pycharm, so the same is visible here. The official website is jetbrains.com. Click on it. Now we have reached the official website. Here you need to click on download. On clicking downloads, you can see two versions are visible. To download Pycharm, Professional is a paid one, but we'll go for community version. It is free and open source, so click on download here. Now the download should start. Now you can see the tar file is visible, Pycharm community version. I'll just click on save and OK here to save it. It's for 386 MB. Now the downloading started. Here you can see the progress. So guys, now you can see we have downloaded Pycharm community version. Now right click and open contain link folder. It got downloaded in the downloads folder. Minimize this. Now here you can see it's a tar file, compressed file. Now just right click and extract here. It is getting extracted. Now extracted, double click. Here is the bin, double click and go to this arrow and open in terminal because we want to reach the bin path. So here we have reached the location, bin path of the Pycharm downloader. Now to start installing the IDE, press dot slash and the sh file, which is the following file pycharm.sh, pycharm.sh shell file. Press enter. Now you can see the installer started. Let's minimize rest of them. Click on I confirm. This is the privacy policy and click on continue. Don't send. These are basic settings. Now the installer will begin. Here it is. Let's go for the light version. You can also go for the dark version. Click on next. Here if you want to create a launcher script, you can create it. I'll leave it as it is and click on next. Now here the featured plugins are visible. If you want to install them, you can install from here. Let's leave them because we are going for simple installation. Click on start using Pycharm. Now here it is. Now let's click on new project to create a new project. Now here is the path of our new project. It will create Pycharm projects folder. Under that our project will get saved with Python project name. It's under home directory, Amit folder. If you want to change the location or path, click here. I'll keep the same. For environment, let's go for existing interpreter because we just installed Python. Here nothing is visible. Click on three dots. Now here go to system interpreter. Here you can see the version is visible. Click on OK here. That's it. Here is the Python which we just installed, the Python version. Let's leave this. The welcome script. Let's leave this and click on create. Now our project will get created. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see our project got created. Here is the project directory. Now let's right click and new. Create a new Python file. Let's name the file. Let's say the name is Amit and it's a Python file. Press enter. Now amit.py file will get created because .py is Python extension. Here you can see. Now let's print a simple line in Python. This looks fine now. Now go to file and save. Save all. Now let's run it. Click on go to run and click on run here. Configuration, click on it. Here just click on run. Now you can see first Python program on Pycharm. That means we have successfully ran our first Python program on Pycharm on Ubuntu 20.04. In this way you can create new projects. So here is the path of the file we created. If you remember, Pycharm projects folder got created. Under that default project Python project got created and we created amit.py Python file. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Python and then Pycharm IDE. After that we also created our first project and ran it on Pycharm. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.